Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Today I discuss about my mid defense presentation topic, and my topic name is a machine learning model to detect the fake news on social media. At first, about me, my name is Asan Habib. My ID is 193 352920, Department of Software Engineering, Daffodil International University, supervised by MS Nadira Islam, lecturer, senior skill, Department of Software Engineering, Deputy International University. Table of content: introduction, problem statement, objective, research question, literacy review, methodology, conclusion, reference. At first, introduction. What is fake news? Fake news refers the misleading information that is not correct or real. The fake news problem is a multi-faced issue that has gained increasing in recent world. Fake news stories can be problem, causes problem, and fake news can separate quickly, specifically on internet and social media. Then problem statement: in the real world, recent world, fake news is threat for industry, society, democracy. So I will try to detect the fake news using the machine learning algorithm like SVM, KNN, XGBoost, logistic regression, etc. Also try to reduce the fake news problem and identify the source of fake news. Objective. The main objective of fake news is four. Number one is to recognize and flag false or misleading information presents as actual news. Number two is to maintain the credibility and reliability of news. Number three is to reduce the potential harm caused by the separate of fake news like public panic. And the last number is to accurately identify and differentiate between false and deep fake information. This is question. There are three questions which are interest to me to selected the thesis topic. Number one is, can machine learning algorithm accurately predicted and detect the fake news based on their factor. Then number two is, how can machine learning algorithm be improved for more accurate and robust fake news detection. Number three is, what are the real world impact of fake news and how can those be quantified and mitigated. There are some paper review. Number one is fake news detection using machine learning approach. Here using model is KNN decision tree naive Bayes SVM random forest. The accuracy of SVM is 75%, which is high, and lacking is unstructured labeling model. And finding is accuracy result of all algorithm means which algorithm gives us good accuracy. Number two paper is fake news detection using machine learning algorithm. Applying model is naive Bayes logistic regression random forest. Here dataset is layer dataset. Performance accuracy is 80% logistic regression. Lacking is evaluation matrix is complicated, and finding is the authenticity of news, it's true or false, and the potential negative consequence. There are some paper, and this paper name is a review of fake news detection model using machine learning. There are applying model is SVM, naive Bayes neutral network, and n-gram analysis, which is the FISAS extension. Here the getting accuracy is 98%, which is naive Bayes n-gram analysis and CNN mixing algorithm that called hybrid. Lacking is not use structured dataset, and finding is show the overview about classifier prediction model. Methodology. There are three steps of methodology. At first, data collection. Second is data pre-processing. Number three is applying purpose model. Methodology for data collection. At first, data collect from social media, data crawling, scraping, data sampling, data labeling, metadata collection, data pre-processing, and store. There are five steps of data pre-processing. Number one is input data, data cleaning, data transformation and reduction, data scaling and splitting, and data store. Scaling and splitting means divided the dataset into two store, train and testing. The applying algorithm SVM, logistic regression, KNN, naive Bayes random forest, XGBoost, and the possible methodology diagram. At first, data taken from social media, then data store the data, then the data pre-processing, then cleaning, transfer data, then splitting the data into train and test dataset. In the train step, build model. The model are SVM, logistic regression, XGBoost, naive Bayes random forest, and decision tree. Then train the model with data, then measure performance with test data, then we check the accuracy of this model and visualize and model discussion. The conclusion: fake news detection is a field of technology, journalism, and critical thinking. And fake news contains to evaluate, so who do you technique and tools used to detect and compute it. No more today. Thanks you. And there is the reference.